If you've been wondering whether AAC at home might help your child communicate, but you're not really sure how to get started, you're not alone. AAC can feel overwhelming when you're first learning about it. You might be wondering what tools to use, whether you need an expensive device to get started. The good news is that one of the easiest and most affordable ways to begin using AAC at home is with a simple communication board, also known as a core board. Hi, I'm Sarah Lutz. I'm an early intervention teacher and the creator of First Words Dance Party. For more than 15 years, I've helped families support communication at home through everyday routines, play, AAC, and music for speech therapy. In this video, we'll talk about communication boards, also known as core boards, and why they can be one of the easiest ways to get started with AAC at home. I'll also show you how communication boards work and how to begin using one during everyday routines, even if you have no prior experience with AAC. Let's start with the basics. A communication board is a visual tool that contains words, pictures, or symbols that a child can use to communicate. Some communication boards contain a wide variety of words. Others focus on a smaller set of high-frequency words that are called core words. Core words are words like me, you, want, in, out, on, off, yes, and no. These words are powerful because they can be used across many different contexts and for lots of different functions throughout the day. These simple little words actually make up over half of the words that we say every single day. When people talk about an AAC core board, they're usually referring to a communication board that focuses on these high frequency core words. One of the reasons that core boards are often recommended for beginners is because they provide a simple, accessible way to start supporting communication without needing a high-tech device. Let's talk a little bit more about the benefits of starting out with a core board printable. One of the reasons I often recommend core boards to families who are just getting started with AAC at home is because they remove so many barriers. You don't need an expensive device. You don't have to worry about whether your insurance will help pay for it. You don't have to remember to charge it. And you don't need programming. You can print multiple copies of a core board and leave them wherever you need them, in the car, in the living room, and at grandma's house. And best of all, you can start using it today. When parents first learn about AAC, they usually picture a speech generating device, special software, and a steep learning curve. And while high-tech AAC can be incredibly powerful, it isn't the only place to start. A simple communication board can help your child begin seeing and experiencing AAC right away. Another thing that I love about core boards is that they can grow with your child. For example, the core board starter set that I created includes 3 different levels. Families can start out with a super simple layout and then gradually move up to level 2 and then level 3 over time as they become more comfortable and familiar with using it. That way you don't have to navigate teaching dozens of symbols all at once. AAC at home doesn't have to be complicated. Now, even after hearing all of that, you might still be looking at a communication board and thinking, wow, this looks like another language. Or maybe you're wondering, how does a communication board actually work? Those are great questions. When parents first see a core board, it's common to feel overwhelmed. After all, there can be dozens of words displayed on a single page. But here's the important thing to remember. Start small. You don't need to teach every word on the board. And your child doesn't need to learn every word on the board before they can start communicating with it. Communication boards give children another way to express their thoughts, wants, needs, and ideas. Just like children learn spoken language by hearing people talk to them, children learn AAC by seeing other people use it. This is called modeling. A parent or a caregiver points to the symbols on the communication board as they talk and interact with the child. And then by doing so, the child learns how to use it themselves. That's it. For example, let's say that you're blowing bubbles with your child, and as they look at you expectantly, and you know as a mom or as a dad that your child would tell you more if they could, you point to the word more on the communication board as you say, more bubbles. Maybe you're placing cars down a ramp. Before you push the cart down, you point to the word go on the core board as you say, go. Over time, your child begins to see how these symbols connect to real communication experiences. And children learn best when they see AAC being used naturally throughout the day. So, what does this actually look like in real life? One of the biggest worries parents have about AAC is feeling like they need to manage another thing and teach every word at once. Yep, a core word is another thing. But the truth is, you don't need to start with all the words. In fact, I recommend starting with just a few really powerful core words that can be used throughout your day. Opposite pairs, like stop and go, or more and all done, are gold. These words can be used during dozens of activities and routines. For example, during snack time, you might point to the word more and say, more crackers, and then all done before getting down from the high chair or booster. During play, you might point to go before tickling, chase, or another physical game, and stop when you naturally pause. The goal isn't to get your child to point to the word. The goal is simply to show them how those words can be used during meaningful interactions. Think about how babies learn spoken language. We don't expect them to say a word the first time they hear it. Instead, they hear that word used over and over again in meaningful situations. AAC works the same way. Your child learns by seeing communication modeled consistently throughout the day. Now, one question that I hear all the time is, which AAC core words should I start with? And if that's something that you're wondering about, I created a free top 10 core words for AAC resource that includes printable symbols for the 10 best core words for AAC beginners. And it walks you through toy ideas and simple activities to start using AAC at home. As a bonus, you'll receive a must-know song list of songs that also teach these words. One of my favorite ways to model AAC at home is through music. Songs naturally create repetition, predictability, movement, and they promote shared attention, all of which are foundational for communication development. Let's take a simple song like the Itsy Bitsy Spider. As you sing, the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout, you can point to the word up on a communication board. And then when you sing, down came the rain and washed the spider out, you can point to the word down. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. This gives your child repeated opportunities to see those words being modeled in a meaningful context. One of the things I love about music is that song lyrics are predictable. Children often know what's coming next in the lyrics, and because they know what to expect, they're better able to connect the words that they're hearing to the symbols that they're seeing on the communication board. That predictability can make AAC modeling even more powerful. It's also one of the reasons that I started creating speech therapy songs through First Words Dance Party. My songs are intentionally written around core words so that families have natural opportunities to model AAC at home throughout the song. For example, in the song It's a Dance Party, I repeatedly model the words up and down while children move and dance and learn different body parts. Another song called Open focuses on the core words open and help, giving families many opportunities to sing the song and model those words during everyday routines long after the song is over. So whether you're singing a traditional children's song or a speech therapy song built around core words, music can be a simple and engaging way to bring AAC into your daily routines. If you've been wondering how to start using AAC at home, I hope this video helped you to see that it doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need special training, and you don't need to teach every word on a communication board before you get started. A simple communication board or a core board can be a powerful first step. Start with a few core words, model them during everyday routines, and remember that your goal isn't perfection, it's providing your child with opportunities and access so that they can see communication modeled throughout the day. Over time, those small moments add up. If you'd like help getting started, be sure to download my free guide, Top 10 Core Words for AAC Success. It includes 10 powerful core word symbols and simple ways to model them during play and everyday activities. And if you're looking for simple, affordable communication board that can grow with your child, be sure to check out the Core Board Starter Set, which includes 3 different levels designed to help families get started without feeling overwhelmed. I'll link both of those in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical tips on AAC, speech delays, language development, and how to use music to support communication at home.